dear student, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, we have discussed various way of asexual reproduction, asexual methods of reproduction. Today we will discuss sexual reproduction in animals. In that we will see phases of sexual reproduction, sequential step of sexual reproduction and secondary sexual characteristic in male and female. So let's begin. Sexual reproduction in animals. Sexual reproduction is the process which involves the production of offspring by the formation and fusion of gametes. It is also called एम्फीमेक्सिस. अगर आपने मेरा लास्ट वीडियो देखा होगा तो वहाँ पे मैंने एसेक्सुअल एंड सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के फिनोमिना का डिफरेंस बताया है. अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा होगा तो आप वो ज़रूर देखें. उसके बाद आपको ये कंसेप्ट बहुत आराम से और इजीली समझ में आएगी. इन सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन देयर इज involvement of both the gametes, that's male gamete and female gametes. Both the organisms are involved in this process. In animals, gametes formation primarily involves meiosis. Sexual reproducing animals shows two main phases in their lifetime. First phase is a juvenile phase. It is a physical growth phase. कौन सा वर्ड इम्पॉर्टेंट है? Physical growth phase starting from birth. The animal cannot reproduce sexually in this phase. इस phase में reproduction की phenomena कभी नहीं होती. Second phase it's reproductive maturity phase. After physical growth is over, reproductive maturity phase start. It involves growth and activity of sex organ. The animal can reproduce sexually in this phase. Both these phases are of variable durations in different animals. As in reproduction, after completing these two phases, the most important phenomena we see after attaining sexual maturity, that is a reproductive or maturity phase, the animals exhibit various events. These various events broadly classified it into the three forms. First one, it's a pre-fertilization. It's a gametogenesis and gamete transfer. Second one, it's a fertilization. That's a fusion of male and female gametes. Post-fertilization, formation of zygote, and after the zygote, the process is embryogenesis. The sexually reproducing animals shows various breeding patterns. Some like the goat, sheep and donkey are seasonal breeders, and humans and apes are continuous breeder. They can breed throughout the year. In human reproduction, the human are sexually reproducing animals. The process of reproduction involves various sequential steps such as first step, it's gametogenesis. Gameto means gamete, genesis means formation or development. Formation of gamete, that is a sperm, in male and ovum in female. Second step, insemination. Insemination, transfer of sperm in the female genital tract, that is called insemination. The third one, fertilization, means fusion of male and female gametes leading to the formation of zygote. The fourth step, it's implantation, attachment of blastocyst to the uterine wall for nourishment, for further development. The fifth one, it's a gestation period, that's a embryonic development, and the last one, it's a parturition period, that's a delivery of the baby. ओके अभी आपको यहाँ तक समझ में आया होगा. So let's see the one by one process. The human reproduction takes place in some step. The first step, which is involved maturation, that's a male and female gamete, male and female organs. Second one, it's a gametogenesis, formation of gametes. Afterward, change in the female body, it's a copulation, formation of the zygote. Fertilization phenomena, it's a fusion of male and female gamete. फर्टिलाइजेशन के बाद आगे की स्टेप होने वाली है एम्ब्रियोलॉजी, दैट्स अ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ zygote, production of milk, feeding a child, and last one, it's a hormonal coordination. So these 6 steps, first one is gametogenesis, second one is insemination, next one is fertilization, implantation, gestation and parturition. ये जो 6 सीक्वेंस है ये रीअरेंज करने के लिए एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं. तो इस स्टेप को सीक्वेंस नहीं बदलना चाहिए. याद करते समय आपको यही सीक्वेंस में याद करना होगा, ये सीक्वेंस बदलना नहीं चाहिए. द नेक्स्ट वन, द गैमेट्स, sperm and eggs are produced by the primary sex organ as the primary sex organ. The testes in male and ovaries in female. As in human being, the human reproduction is sexual, जो हमने अभी देखा, and it's an active process. As is human being are dioecious and sexually dimorphism is distinct. They are viviparous as they give birth to young one. Reproductive life begins after puberty, the period when the reproductive organs mature and start functioning. This puberty age, it started from 12 to 18 years. As there is a presence of gonads and other reproductive organs are mature, become active at puberty age. They produce sex hormones and gametes. In boys, the secondary sexual characteristics are developed at puberty age. What's a secondary sexual characteristic observed in boys in teenage? That is, in boys, hoarseness, in boys, facial and pubic hairs, height and weight are notable. They are the distinct characteristic which is observed in boys. The next one, in girls, there is when the girls enters it in puberty age, there is a development of the breast, pubic hair, body shape and beginning of the menstrual cycle. Okay. for understanding the reproductive process and organs to avoid dreadful diseases like the AIDS, STDs, and living a happy married life, it is necessary to know the details of reproductive system. Okay, I think so. You are understand up to this. Thank you for watching my video. In my next video, we will see male reproductive system. Thank you.